welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's sure to interest all photography and videography enthusiasts out there. In this video, we'll explore the 7 specific ways to choose the best camera drone, along with 3 beneficial uses of owning a drone camera. And the best part? We'll be approaching it from the perspective of a private user like you. So, let's dive right in. 7 ways to choose the best camera drone. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest content. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Camera quality. As a private user, it's essential to consider the camera quality of the drone you choose. Look for drones with high-resolution cameras, larger sensors, and adjustable settings. This ensures you can capture stunning images and videos that meet your specific needs and preferences. Example: look for camera drones that offer at least 12 megapixels and have the ability to shoot in RAW format. This ensures you can capture high-resolution images with greater flexibility in post-processing. Number 2. Flight performance and stability. Nobody wants shaky footage, right? That's why it's crucial to choose a camera drone with excellent flight performance and stability. Features like GPS navigation, gimbal stabilization, and obstacle avoidance systems contribute to smooth flights and steady footage, enhancing your overall experience. Example: drones with GPS navigation and advanced stabilization systems, like a 3-axis gimbal, provide smooth flights and stable footage even in windy conditions, allowing you to capture professional-looking shots without any unwanted shakiness. Number 3. Flight time and battery life. As a private user, you'll want a camera drone that offers sufficient flight time per charge. Longer flight times allow for extended shooting sessions, ensuring you have enough time to capture those breathtaking shots without worrying about your drone running out of power. Example: choose a drone with a flight time of at least 25 minutes per charge. This gives you sufficient time to explore and capture footage without having to worry about the battery dying mid-flight. Number 4. Range and connectivity. Exploring different aerial perspectives is a delight for any private user. Therefore, consider the range and connectivity options of the camera drone. Look for drones that offer a longer control range, allowing you to venture further and capture more stunning shots. And don't forget to check for reliable connectivity, ensuring seamless control and live video streaming. Example: opt for a camera drone that offers a control range of at least 1 kilometer. This allows you to fly the drone further and capture shots from greater distances, providing a wider perspective and more creative possibilities. Number 5. Portability and ease of use. As a private user, you might want to take your drone on adventures and travel with ease. Look for camera drones with compact and foldable designs that are easy to transport. Additionally, prioritize drones with intuitive controls, user-friendly interfaces, and quick setup, saving you time and effort during your aerial photography sessions. Example: look for a compact and foldable drone that can easily fit into a backpack. Drones with intuitive controls and quick setup, such as automatic takeoff and landing, make it convenient for you to start flying and capturing images or videos with minimal effort. Number 6. Intelligent flight modes and features. Get creative with your drone photography. Many camera drones offer intelligent flight modes and features. These include automated shots, follow me mode, waypoint navigation, and subject tracking, making it easier for you to capture professional-looking shots and add that extra flair to your content. Example: choose a drone that offers intelligent flight modes like active track, which allows the drone to automatically track and follow a moving subject. This feature is beneficial for capturing dynamic shots while keeping the subject in focus. Number 7. budget and value for money. Finally, as a private user, you'll want to find the best camera drone that suits your budget. Compare the features, performance, and reviews of different models within your budget range to ensure you get the best value for your investment. Remember to consider any additional costs for accessories, spare batteries, or camera upgrades if needed. Now that we've covered the 7 specific ways to choose the best camera drone, let's discuss the 3 beneficial uses of owning a drone camera. Benefit number 1: aerial photography and videography. Owning a drone camera opens up a whole new world of possibilities for capturing stunning aerial shots. You can capture breathtaking landscapes, architectural wonders, events, and more, providing unique perspectives that were previously inaccessible. Benefit number 2: surveying and inspections. Drones equipped with cameras are incredibly useful for professionals in various industries. They offer cost-effective and efficient solutions for mapping terrains, assessing construction sites, and inspecting hard-to-reach areas. With real-time aerial views, professionals can identify issues and gather data without the need for costly manual inspections. Benefit number 3: search and rescue operations. Drones with camera capabilities play a vital role in search and rescue operations. Their aerial perspective and advanced sensors help locate missing persons or individuals in remote or hazardous environments. Equipped with thermal imaging or infrared sensors, drones can detect body heat signatures, aiding rescue teams in identifying and rescuing people quickly and effectively. And there you have it! The 7 specific ways to choose the best camera drone and the 3 beneficial uses of owning a drone camera, all from the perspective of a private user like yourself. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance for your drone camera journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.